Hi, and welcome to the Old Timer Centre. My name is Philip Tarrant, and today we have for you a 2006 Holden Commodore SS. This particular car is the SS VE. It's got the 6-litre V8, and it's the first of the VE series from 2006. It's done 100,000 kilometres exactly, and it's this beautiful orange colour with black leather interior. These came with so many features. It's got individual seats with the SS badging. Obviously it's got dual zone climate control, automatic headlights, obviously the cruise control which I've had for a long time. They're very nice cars indeed. Built very well, and if well serviced, are capable of doing a huge amount of kilometres. Being a 6-litre V8, not driven hard, will go for a very long time. The leather is in good condition. It was a local car from a local person who purchased a beautiful Mercedes-Benz CL 500 coupe from us, and this was the trade-in. It's been very well looked after, well serviced, and it's got registration until November 2015. The car's very, very straight. I think there is a mark on the back there where they reversed, or where he may have reversed into something at some point. But yeah, it's just come in. I just drove it a few moments ago, and it was particularly nice to drive. They've also got an electronic stability program, and it's got a sports shift option for the gearbox. We also believe this is the new 6-speed transmission, and being an SS, it's got the Blaupunk stereo system. It's got 2 remote keys to the car, and it looks like it's been a one owner from new, or in the same family. It's been in the same family anyway. So the car's very, very good. We've just given it a very quick wash. We haven't detailed it thoroughly as yet, and it's come up very, very well. So if you are looking for an SS VE, we definitely think you should come and have a look at this car and take it for a drive. So we are the Old Timer Centre. We're located in Marrickville in Sydney, and we certainly look